Another important is when you meditate at the beginning, motivation is very important. You have to put meaning about your practice. So normally whatever you do, you have some meaning, right? How many students here in the library who do study here? Raise your hand. Yeah. So why you come here to study? You have some meaning, right? Maybe you want to learn Dharma. Maybe you want to learn meditation. You want to learn interested Tibetan culture and philosophy. And then hoping that might be benefit for my country or my friends, who knows, in the future, there's something, right? So make it that motivation bigger, bigger, bigger. So why you want to meditate? I want to meditate to benefit for my friends, my family. If you are peace, you can bring peace to others. So if you meditate yourself, if you transform yourself, you are transforming the world. Helping the world by helping yourself is most important. In the past, we have a lot of disasters, war. Why? They want to change the world. They want to change others. They don't want to change themselves, right? But everybody wants to transform ourselves, change ourselves. Then the world will become a better place. So think about big vision. And I want to meditate to benefit even 2 people, 3 people, whatever. So we all are part of ripples. There's a lot of influence. If you do something authentic, it benefits. And eventually to all beings, all sentient beings, right? So therefore I want to meditate today. So there's a motivation at the beginning. It's very important. And after finishing meditation, do dedication. So today I finish the meditation. So I'm going to dedicate the virtue, the whatever virtue or good karma, whatever you accumulate by meditating. Meditation is really, really virtue. So thinking they're going to share to the world, to your friends, family, special someone who having problem, someone who need to, you pray, you dedicate your meditation virtue, benefit for them. And then all beings in the end. So may all beings recognize awareness, and from there they develop wisdom, and in the end, may all beings achieve full enlightenment. Therefore you want to dedicate. So begin by motivation, ending by dedication, then the meditation become really virtuous. Okay?